Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Meryl Weep Diaries. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube thumbnail inside of Canva. I use Canva Pro, but the free Canva version will work as well. They have lots of free stock images, and those are the images that I'm going to be showing you. So you want to be logged into canva.com. And I am going to click on Create a Design, and I'm going to go down to YouTube Thumbnail, and it gives you a pre-sized graphic that's the exact size of YouTube thumbnail art. If you click on File, you can see exactly what the dimensions are, and it's 1280 by 720 pixels. Okay, so this is our template right here. Also, if you click on File, you can highlight the Show Margins, and so it'll show you where the white area is in your graphic. I like to have mine bleed out past the white area. I don't like the white borders in my design. So I am going to click here on photos, and I have some recently used photos, and so this is one of the ones that I am going to be showing you how to make the thumbnail with. So for YouTube, because I do a lot of tech tutorial videos, my thumbnails usually have something to do, with a laptop, or if it's not a laptop, then it's, flowers, and they're generally a particular color scheme, either the light pink sort of mauve or the hot pink and gold, or this, let me just pull it up, or this shade of green right here. Also in Canva, you can upload all your brand colors so that they're always available to you. So this particular video that I needed a thumbnail for was a link tree tutorial. It was actually how to create a free link tree in Canva without, having to pay for a link tree. So I am just going to size this to the area that I need, and I want the laptop to be shown in there. So I am going to just drag it out and going to pull this up a little bit. Okay. So I have it past the grid lines. And because this is a link tree tutorial, that is not actually going to be a link tree from the link tree itself. I am going to go to Google and pull up some images of link tree, and then I am going to download this image. So I'm just going to say save image as. So I'd already downloaded one, as you can see to the right where it says Linktree icon, but for the sake of this tutorial, and I want to show you the whole process, I'm doing it again. So I'm going to save it as linktree.com. And then I'm going to click on the upload button and upload the image. Wait, I think I clicked on it twice. And I'm just going to make it small because this is going to be part of the title. And I'm going to change the transparency of it so that it's not so bright. And now the reason why I downloaded the Linktree image is because I had searched for it initially in the Canva photos. So you can search and you can type in Linktree free and see if it brings up a Linktree icon, and it doesn't. So if I were to use Instagram, because Instagram has a lot for Instagram, it'll bring up all of these Instagram images, you know, that you can sort through. You could click on free, see what's there. You could also go to Elements and you could search for Instagram free. So it brings up, you know, all the Instagram icons. And I had searched for Linktree under both and it didn't have any, so I had to download it from Google. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is under Elements, I'm going to search for a line because I want to strike through that Linktree. Just kind of says, you know, we're not using tree. And if you hear some noise in the background, it's because I have a large family and they are never really quiet. This line, and I'm going to resize it. I'm also going to make this link tree a little bigger. And I'm going to change the color of it so that it fits our color scheme here. And then I'm going to change the transparency of it so that I want to make it a little bit bigger. Okay. All right. So let me darken it up a little bit. Let's go to text. I'm going to add a heading. These are my brand fonts. So this is Bebe's new. So I'm going to say create color of it to this green. And then I am going to add, then I'm going to add some more text, but I'm going to use this Great Vibes heading here. And I'm going to say free, and I'm going to increase the size of it by using the handle tool, and you can make it as large or small as you'd like. You can also use the numbers at the top to increase the size to make it smaller or larger, 120, 145. And then I am going to just move it into position and try to position it in a way that's going to be aesthetically pleasing and captivating when the users are searching. Because if you don't have very nice thumbnails or thumbnails that really pop with color or images, your video is going to most likely get skipped over for a video that does have more captivating fonts, captions, and photos. Just playing around with how I want it positioned. And I'm going to go back to add some text. I'm going to use the Bebe's new, create a free link tree. Okay. And this is going to be my YouTube thumbnail. And you can play around with it however you like. This one is just for tutorial purposes. And when you're done, you will download it as a PNG. And go and take a look at it. And that is our YouTube thumbnail. And again, you know, you have complete creative control in Canva. So play around with the photos that they have to offer, the elements that they have to offer, play around with different backgrounds, different font types. You can also upload fonts from, I think it is Dafont, DAFONT.com. But Canva has plenty of great fonts to use and that you can choose from. I just stick with my my branded fonts so that all of my videos have the same type of aesthetic feel to them. So if this video has been helpful to you, leave me a comment, like the video, subscribe, and turn your notifications on for more tech tutorials. Until next time, this is Meryl Weep. Straight up by the Texas, straight up by the Texas, straight up by the Texas, straight up by the Texas.